buddy.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Come on, I ain't going in alone. Come on, look. Oh, look. Come on, Pierre. Go swimming. Have fun.
Is he just standing?
He's just like sitting here. He's like, there you go, dog paddle.
Good boy! Good boy!
Good boy. Good boy.
I can't believe you got in that nasty ass water. Get her, Carl, get her.
She's like, oh, fuck. Like, no. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Good girl, Stella! That's a good pup! She just went, mm. Come here!
Come on, Pierre! Pierre! He almost came in.
He almost came in.
Pierre! She's like, it ain't funny. Pierre!
Come on! Good boy! Good boy, Pierre! Come on, Pierre! Come on!
Come on, Pierre! Come on. He's going to jump in. Watch. He's like, you're going to get in, damn it. He's like, if I got to go in, you're going to go in. We're going to enjoy this. Come on, Pierre!
Come on, Pierre! Come on! Good boy!
Come here. I saw him. That didn't work. Here. Come on. Here. You gotta bring it here, dummy. Oh. Is that what's holding you back? He had some extra weight. He was worried about his flotation.
Aww.